Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Snapshot's integrity for DigitalOcean Spaces backups, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Spaces section from the main dashboard. Locate and select the space that contains your backups. In the space, find the snapshot you want to verify. Click on the snapshot to access its details. Note the snapshot's unique URL provided in the details. Open your command line interface. Use the appropriate command to download the snapshot. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and API keys configured. Once downloaded, calculate the checksum of the snapshot file. On Linux or macOS, use the command shasuma256 file_name. On Windows, you may use the certutal hash file _name sha256 command. Record the checksum generated from the command. Next, go back to your DigitalOcean dashboard. Find the checksum value listed in the snapshot details. Compare the two checksum values side by side. If they match, the snapshot is verified as intact. If they do not match, you may need to re-download the snapshot. Consider setting up a regular verification schedule for future backups. This will help ensure the integrity of your backups over time. Document any discrepancies for further investigation. Keep your backup verification process part of your overall data management strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.